Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a Easter Bunny surprise fold. To get started, we're going to fold our paper right in half, like so. And once you're done with that, we're going to fold up, maybe a little bit further, right around here. And this will allow us to do our surprise fold. And we can lift it up just like this. We're going to keep everything closed while we draw, and then we can draw in the rest right after. So I'm going to start off with a basket right on the bottom. We'll start the basket by drawing the side, both sides, straight line down, and connect it on the bottom, like so. And with your basket done, let's draw in our first detail. We're going to draw in a cute bunny right around here. Let's draw the head right around here. Like so, right on the top edge of our surprise fold. Now let's draw in two big ears. For our bunny. And let's do it inner detail. Oh, once your ear is done, let's draw in a big cute nose and a big smile with these two U's and draw in the smile. I'll give you some time to complete that. Once you're done with the face, let's draw in the little eyes. One eye, two eye, and a little bit of highlight of both sides, and black. Let's draw little eyebrows with these little circles on either side. And for whiskers, we just need 3 dots, like so. And we could detail in the basket later, but let's draw in the layout of the basket for our surprise fold. Let's lift it up. Let's see what we can add for details. We could make the bunny sitting on a pile of eggs for our surprise fold. So let's draw in the top of the basket right below our edge. So let's draw in our bunny. We're gonna do 2 big bunny feet. We're gonna draw in the bottom of both legs first with these U's. And let's draw in 3 big toes. And then for the toes, we just need 3 circles on each and 1 in the middle, like so. So you have the feet and everything. Let's draw in the 2 arms. Right below this, I'm gonna draw in 1 arm, 2nd arm on the side. Let's go back up, like so. And let's draw the bottom of the body, like so. And let's draw in a big circle for the belly. And since it's a bunny, we need a big fluffy bunny tail, like so. It's looking good. Let's double check our surprise fold. It's a small bunny and then it becomes a big basket. And for our surprise fold, let's fill up this basket with as many eggs as we can. And we're going to start from the bottom and draw in the top of the eggs. And then continue up, drawing more and more eggs until the bunny is able to sit on them. Good. And it's just gonna be bunny sitting on a bunch of eggs for a surprise. Let's try in some little other decorations for our surprise build. We could add in some like little bits of confetti on the side, just for some color. Once we color it, it'll be fun to color in the confetti. Let's try on the lid of the handle of the basket on the side. Just see a hint of it. It's looking good. Just a simple bunny, and then we got wham, a bunch of it. Surprise. Let's detail in our basket. We're gonna add in a nice ribbon on the bottom, and maybe we could add in little circles to detail it out. And you can design your basket however you like. I'm just going for a little bit of ribbons, and let's give it a big nice bow. For the bow, it's going to be really easy. We're just going to draw a circle and this jelly bean shape on either side. And let's give it some folds. And for the ribbon, we just need to end it with these 2 spikes. Give you some time to finish up that. And for our basket, let's draw in some little basket details. I want to just do a little bit of like these lines across. We don't have to go all the way through, just a little bit for detailing. And we're going to do some vertical lines in between to mimic the weave of a basket. Just enough. Like so. And our eggs look a little bit blank, but that's okay because we're going to add it when we color it, which is going to be the next step. So grab your favorite markers and let's decorate some eggs first. Just pick some fun colors and let's start drawing in some designs for the eggs. Some zigzags. I'm just going to continue and fill out all these egg designs. Once your basket is done, we can move over to the bunny itself. And there you have it, your very own Easter surprise fold. We got a little rabbit in a basket and then a bunch of eggs. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.